Technological innovation, quality trend. LXSHOW-Laser handheld welding machine, an innovative model leading the high-end field. Every detail reflects the concept of personalized customization. Each laser handheld welding machine is carefully customized to your needs. Convenient scanning method of electronic manual, provide you with comprehensive and exquisite usage guide. All electrical components, cables and appearance comply with EU standards. Water separator, effectively prevents ammonia gas or moisture in the gas from contaminating lenses. Added new tip temperature alarm, gas pressure sensor and oil water separator function, improve equipment stability and reduce failure rate. Drawers provide ideal storage, easily store wearing parts, bring you more convenience. After a new interactive design, the operation interface is simpler, bringing you smarter, convenient operating experience. Unique 3-color alarm light, combined with the alarm buzzer, the level of intelligence helps you gain insight into the status of your equipment at any time. Made with care. Just to present the best welding experience.